Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing what I think is what real kpop sounds like. I'll be separating the songs by the generation. So, if the soloist subunits debuted during the third gen 2001 to 2018 but the idol itself was in another group in an earlier era, then it'll count for the generation they debuted in. Okay, like always, these are my opinions, and I can't include everything song. Now that that's covered, let's get into it.
그녀를 보는 난 지쳐 하지만 이젠 지쳐 Replay replay 근데 왜 하필 너만 날 몰라주는 Love is for walls 너로 참 mirror 나도 모르게 빠져들어가 별이 빛나는 밤 네가 왜 부러워 너와 나 비디오 남자 이 분위기 올라타 Don't put up that fuck keep it little crowd 앞 모두 다 여기만 봐 I just can't get enough of you Write 1,000 songs for you 너만 원해 Sunrise baby come be my starlight moonlight sunrise baby just to make you stay sunrise okay yeah my baby says she wanna dance with a ghost she wants to leave me 모든 건 우연이 아니니까 Can't get you out of my head. Can't get you out of my head and my mind and my body in every way. Can't get you out of my head. Can't get you out of my head. 네 맘이 날 원하잖니 서둘러 내게 빨리 라라라라라 빨리 라라라라라 원하니 네 맘이 날 attention. You got me looking for attention. Every day, every night, here we go, go, go. 네가 줄게 내가 바랬던 세계 제일 위에 떨어져도 돼 I'm anti-fragile 사랑이 완전 카피 나와 똑같아 나만 잘 알아줘 ASAP 꼭 때문에 달콤하니
나니? Hey, 뭐가? Tell me what? 나니? 누가? Tell me what?
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, I couldn't include everything, so be nice in the comments if I missed one of your favorite songs. But I would like to hear any songs you consider what real K-pop sounds like. Again, let's be nice and respectful. With that being said, see you in the next video. Bye.
알고 싶지 않아